Is your computer's digital armor actually up and running? Let's find out if Microsoft Defender is actively protecting your system in this quick tutorial. First, locate the Windows Start button, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, and give it a click. Now, within the Start menu, look for the Settings icon. It resembles a gear. Click on Settings to open the Windows Settings panel. In the Settings window, you'll see various options. Find and click on Update and Security. This will lead you to the section where you can manage Windows updates and security features. On the left-hand side of the Update and Security window, you'll find a menu. Click on Windows Security to access the Security Dashboard. Here, on the Windows Security Dashboard, you'll see a summary of your system's security status. If you see a green checkmark and the words "No actions needed," that indicates Microsoft Defender is active and your system is currently protected. If there's a yellow or red indicator, it means there's an issue requiring your attention. For more detailed information, click on the Virus and Threat Protection icon. This will open a new window showing the status of your antivirus protection, scan history, and available options. In this window, make sure real-time protection is turned on. This ensures that Microsoft Defender is actively scanning for threats in the background. If it's off, toggle it on to ensure continuous protection, and that's it. You've successfully checked the status of Microsoft Defender and ensured your computer is shielded from potential threats.